Okay, so today we're going to be talking about two-step word problems, a little bit different than last time. Again, I'm just going to clean read my question. So Sandy likes to collect coins. Sandy got 31 coins from her brother, 36 coins from her mother, as well as 25 coins from Sally. However, Sandy lost 18 coins before putting the coins into her piggy bank. How many coins does Sandy have in her piggy bank? So first of all, my key person is Sandy, and she has 31 coins from her brother, 36 coins from her mother, and 25 coins from Sally. So I'm going to start with part one. If I know I've got 31, 36, and 25, she got all of these. So she got all of these coins. So I'm going to add up these numbers. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 5 is what? 12. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 2 is 7, is 8, plus 1 is 9. Okay, so I have 92 coins. Now, I could choose this answer, but I haven't looked at the second part of the problem. However, Sandy lost 18 coins before putting them into the bank. So I need to take that 92 and those 18 coins she lost. If she lost them, it means I need to subtract. What is my answer? Fill that in for number one, please.